Hi everyone. We all are facing the same unknown every day when we wake up. Hopefully, you guys are staying indoors and staying safe because that is the need of the hour. Today, I'm here in front of you to discuss upon the sector real estate post COVID 19. I am already thinking about the good which will come our way when our life is back to normal. Firstly, through our universal support of our frontline healthcare workers, we are creating a very strong sense of community and appreciation. Secondly, I am thinking how the business will change, as every setback is an opportunity in disguise. I am strongly feeling that the real estate will move in a positive way in a very short span of time. But let's hear from our industry experts too.
Hello, everybody. This is Abhishek Kapoor from Purvankara. I hope you're all safe and at home and healthy.
Firstly, I would like to appreciate this initiative by Realty Roof.
Hi. In this pandemic, the most used word is home.
Hi, this is Praveen Maurkar, Head Sales Mascon Engineer.
With this whole crisis, which has become a global pandemic called COVID 19, everybody has come together, to my mind, like it's happened never before in humanity. As a sector, our first job was to look after the health and safety of all our employees and the laborers on the site, all the stakeholders. I think as a sector, we have done a great job of supporting all of these guys, ensuring there is high level of hygiene on the site, ensuring there is food available. Everyone has played their part, including contractors, including developers. And I think one of the biggest, of course, challenges was for the government. And this has all happened with government support. Having said that, I think the next big thing is, and which everybody keeps talking about, is the looming economic crisis. We believe that this crisis is short term. It will be short lived. We will come out of this as a sector, as a economy, as a country. If you look at China numbers and you look at them coming back towards normalcy, their number on month basis have gone up significantly in the real estate sector. I think the same will happen in this country. There is not so much of a gloom and doom story. We might have to change the way we do our business, like what we are doing here in Purvankara. We have taken a huge amount of effort towards digitizing our marketing. We have created online platforms, buying platforms. All of that will happen, and I think as a sector we will evolve to come out stronger, better, and also, of course, as a team we will come out much stronger and together. As an industry, I believe that this is the time to put all our effort and energy to work together to come out of this and to ensure that we take care of each other in this whole process and come out strong and support the economy, the country, and the people, all the stakeholders in the industry and outside of the industry. Wish you all the very best. Stay safe and stay at home and stay healthy. Thank you.
It is definitely one of the most unexpected and difficult times that we are all experiencing, but it is commendable to see how our country has come together to handle this situation. At Goel Ganga, we are extremely grateful for the community that we have created, whether it is our employees coming out to make sure that the labor is provided with the right hygiene and food, or whether it is our customers who are making sure that they are doing timely payments from home online. I think our entire team is working extremely hard to make sure there is no panic amongst our customers by checking up on their health as well as guiding them through the processes. I think one of the biggest realizations we all have at this time is the need to have a good, solid home for you and your family. So I think it's never too late to buy that dream home.
Across society, across section, people have realized the importance of a good home and being at home. I believe post a temporary blip because of the lockdown situation, we'll see a very strong buying in the real estate market, in the home segment, in the residential segment, from both end users and investors. End users will buy, understanding the importance of being at home and having a good home. A lot of investors will come also because of the kind of meltdown we have seen in the equity market and other asset class across the world. People will realize and come back to the proven asset class of real estate over 100 years for a safe and steady returns. So I wish and I believe that we'll see a very strong market in real estate post the lockdown. Thanks.
In the current scenario of COVID-19, and if we have to figure out what will be the industry scenes post the lockdown is open, we believe the demand will stabilize in 1 to 2 quarters. 1 to 2 quarters. Primary reason being, in the current scenario, homes have played a major role of providing the safety and security to the people, so that will spur the demand. Secondly, the rupee is depreciating. It has depreciated to a larger level, and that is a great time for NRIs to buy. We have already seen a lot of inquiries coming from the NRI market. Thirdly, the stock markets have also crashed, so people would like to have their investments done in something tangible, which is going to provide them security as well in future. So overall, the scenarios will be good, and it's just a matter of maybe 1 or 2 quarters maximum, where the industry will again revive and be in full fledged. Thank you.